Did you know that photo color correction services are incredibly important for e-commerce sites, product owners, and photographers? For an e-commerce product, it's vital to recolor a product. It can attract customers. Clipping Amazon includes a perfect color correction team and ensure correcting the color of photos. Let's see some of our color correction services. Product color editing, model photo color adjust, background color change, clothing color editing, wedding photo color correction, black and white photo colorization, jewelry color adjust. Our color correction services will make your photos look outstanding. Take the free trial offer to check our quality.